Big news out of Tokyo. Japanese Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba has reportedly announced his resignation less than a year into his term. With his party now lacking majority control, critics and allies alike say it's time for a change. Today, here's the breakdown. What led to this decision, who might succeed him, and what this could mean for Japan-US relations. According to Japan's public broadcaster NHK, Ishiba is stepping down to prevent a split within the ruling Liberal Democratic Party, amid growing calls for new leadership and internal instability. A formal announcement is expected at a Sunday press conference. Meanwhile, LDP lawmakers will vote on whether to hold a leadership election as early as Monday. Financial Times, Reuters. The LDP has suffered back-to-back election defeats, first losing its lower house majority last October, then failing to secure the upper house in July. Economic pressure, like rising living costs and voter dissatisfaction, have further weakened Ishiba's position. Despite brokering a recent US-Japan trade deal, his support from within the party was waning. AP News Reuters +1. Ishiba became prime minister in September 2024, surprising many by winning the LDP leadership on his fifth attempt. His term saw scandals, economic challenges, and internal dissent. Known as a political maverick, his predecessor's popularity didn't translate into long-term success. And now, his resignation would make him one of several short-lived Japanese PMs post-Abe era. Reuters Wikipedia. With Ishiba stepping down, several contenders are already emerging. Key names include Sanai Takaichi, a conservative who came close last year, and Shinjiro Koizumi, the charismatic farm minister whose political star is rising. The LDP leadership election could stretch into October. Financial Times, AP News. The LDP's new leader will likely be chosen through a multi-stage election, first by lawmakers, then rank-and-file members across prefectures. Once the LDP picks a new president, Japan's lower house will vote to appoint the next prime minister. If that fails, a runoff occurs, and in case of disagreement between chambers, the lower house prevails. Reuters. For U.S. watchers, Ishiba's resignation raises questions about policy continuity, especially in trade, defense, and regional diplomacy. While he recently secured a tariff reduction deal with Washington, his successor may not follow the same path. Businesses and investors are increasingly jittery amid this political uncertainty. AP News readers. Politically, Ishiba's departure could herald a new direction within the LDP, but it also signifies the party's deeper struggles: internal factionalism, erosion of public trust, and the rise of opposition parties appealing to younger voters. His resignation underscores the instability in modern Japanese politics and sets the stage for a potential shift in national strategy. Financial Times, Reuters, Wikipedia. So Japan's prime minister is stepping down after less than a year in power, caught between election losses and internal party turmoil. Who will succeed him? How will that change Japan's path forward? Share what you think in the comments below, hit like if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more global politics updates. Thanks for watching.